Let us say that I have captured all the rooms here, the bathroom, the master bedrooms, etc. I have probably drawn the little rooms like the closets. But now I have this big corridor. I can capture it. I can draw it, but I'm going to use the last option here, the fill. And it's going to be a filler room, and this is going to be a hall. Now, what I just have to do is drag and drop the green icon, and boom, magicplan creates a room that automatically fills the space left in between the other rooms. So it's even faster than capturing or drawing, just filling. The last option to create a room plan is you select an existing room and you can duplicate it. And when you duplicate it, you can flip it. For example, I flip it horizontally. So now I have a room that mirrors my original room.